Back home now, Rockerz emerged winners of the 34th staging of the Duane Smith annual netball competition played at the Sherlock Crescent Multipurpose Court in Duane Park, St. Andrew. Rockerz dethroned the defending champions Eltham Racers 8-6. Rockerz received $200,000 while Eltham Racers pocketed $150,000. Rockerz captain Quania Walker was rewarded with $30,000 for being the competition's MVP.
We tied in the first game finals, but we know that we had to put it together. We did a few giveaways to the opponent team, but we get it together and we came up victorious. I mean, I feel delighted and I'm happy that we came up victorious. We know that we can do it. We are one Rockerz International.
The team will now turn their attention to the National League.
As we're about to enter into the JNA League, we know that we have to gather the girls because everybody is new. Some persons are new, and we have to put it together so we can go out there and execute.
Meanwhile, Panthers A won third place 6-3 over Blazers A. Panthers A took home $100,000 while Blazers A were rewarded with $50,000. Maxfield A received the top consolation prize of $30,000. Duane Park Gems A, who were named the most disciplined team, were awarded $50,000. 20 teams took part in the competition.